Hello, I want to commend you for taking control of your career. The beginning is hard. You don't know where to start from, whom you could reach out to, and which resources out of so many is tailored to your need. Navigating this big and evolving industry of medical communications can be challenging, overwhelming, and exhausting. But I'm here to help you become a successful medical writer. To be a successful medical writer, you need a combination of skills. Broadly, writing skills, marketing skills, and communication skills. In this course, we are going to focus mainly on the writing skills and a little bit tidbits about networking communications and marketing skills. If you are more interested in the marketing aspect and communications aspect, please check out my other courses. Here, we are going to learn the ins and outs, the most valuable information about the medical communications industry, so that you know where to position yourself, how to create your space, your unique value. And after you attract recruiters, clients, you would need to deliver also great quality content. That's what you will do with me. You will position yourself, you will write great quality content faster, come up with a portfolio by the end of this course. But is this course right for you? If you are transitioning from any other industry to the medical communications or healthcare communications industry, yes, this course is for you. If you have already transitioned into the industry, but you are struggling to get great feedback from your client or to attract attention, this course is for you. Also, if you have the commitment and determination enough to follow through a course till the end and do the brainstorming, do the writing exercises, this course is for you. Why learn from me? I'm a scientist turned medical writer. I transitioned to the communication space right after my postdoc. I was new in the country. I knew almost nobody outside of academia. Yet, I took a leap of faith. Within the first 6 months of sending out my first pitch, I was hired by the top communications agencies of North America. Before the end of the first year, I was already invited for interviews, webinars, and workshops. I was also invited to conduct a roundtable in the American Medical Writers Association conference and to present in their chapter events. In these sessions, I shared my tactics with my peers and students. And that's what I'm going to teach you in this course. I'm going to teach you how to save time by taking strategic actions at every step. When you implement this advice, you save time, you beat the competition, and you accelerate your career. Anytime during taking the course, you have any question, any problem, you can reach out to me. You can write to me, you can connect to me in LinkedIn, and also check out my free resources on YouTube. Let's begin this amazing journey.